recording. The first one is, what is Outlook? What is Outlook? Outlook is a mail client. Very simple. Outlook is a mail client. Okay. I have a lot of Outlook related PPT. I have a Outlook PPT is there, but we are I started actually. We are started means not may not be your batches, but your previous batches. With almost like there is a N4 N5 batches are there. So with that batches help, I created some PPTs, that is these Google PPTs. Okay, so we have so Outlook is a Microsoft application. Outlook is a mail client application. Mail client application. It is from Microsoft. It is a Microsoft application. Okay, actually it is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Okay. It is a part of means Microsoft Office suite contains Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and one or two other tools. Okay. It's a Microsoft product. Okay, it is a part of Microsoft Office suite. So what is the use of this Outlook? We'll see. What is the use of this Outlook? Okay. We can download and store mails in our local PC. We can download and store in our local PC. We can read received mails or downloaded mails anytime with or without internet. With or we can send and receive mails. We can send and receive mails. We can backup received mails to we can take backup received mails and store in some place. Different place means different storage location, different location. We can do it. Or same location we can do it, different location. Also we can take a backup of. Okay. So not only this, so Outlook also provide not only mail communications, calendars, contacts. Now it is changed. The name is changed. POPLE. People. Okay. So calendar. Okay. Scheduling. In a calendar, we can specify. We can schedule the meetings. I will show my Outlook for that one. Okay. We can schedule the meetings. Follow-ups. can do the follow-ups kind of stuff. What is going on, the mail follow-ups. We can able to trace the mail kind of stuff. We can send a receiver mails is there. You can back up the mails. You can store the mails and stuff. There's one question I will add here. So please go to what is the difference between two CC, BCC? Okay, what is the difference between two CC and BCC? This is one of the main important one. Small questions also there. I will add it later. So I thought you got an idea. What is an Outlook? It is an application. Okay, it is a Microsoft product. So Outlook is a Microsoft product. Like Outlook, there's a different applications can be there, but more popular is Outlook one only. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. What is the Office suite? It's a combination of Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint, Outlook. Okay, maybe there is any one or two may be added, but these are the major things. Okay, so you will get a Outlook. Of course, MS Office. If you are having a Microsoft Office, then you will get other kind of stuff like publishers, OneNote. Okay, we will get a publisher, OneNote kind of stuff also we will get it. Microsoft Access you will get it. May have a Microsoft kind of stuff. Microsoft Office 365, Office tools. Now my Teams are there. I installed it, but it is stored in a different places. It is showing Office tools like this, but it is not showing my Microsoft Corporation. Also, it is not showing that anything. So it is like a direct Word, Excel, PowerPoint type only maybe. This Word is there. Excel under E, it is a Excel is there. Excel. PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint. This is publisher. This is also Microsoft publisher. OneNote. OneNote. OneNote for Windows 10. OneNote. OneNote. Okay. Outlook. You can see Outlook. These are the main things. Okay. Groovy. A lot of also communicator. The communicators change it to other kind of stuff like Skype for business. Okay. Microsoft Office Communicator. Office Communicator is changed to Link. Link is again Skype for business. Skype is there. Skype for business. Skype for business is changed to Microsoft Teams. Okay. So this is no guarantee you will get a Microsoft team or not, but I am adding that Teams also is a one part of Office suite nowadays. Okay. So we can download and store the mails in your local PC. Okay. So in your PC, you can store your mails. No need to store in a remote server. You can read you can read the received mails even without without internet. For example, internet is disconnected. I want to read my already received mails. I can read it. We are accessing a mails through Gmail account, right? So we are accessing a mails using Gmail account. So where is the Gmail part? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So I have an internet, so I can able to open my Gmail account in my web browser. In my web browser, I am open my Gmail account and I can able to read my mails. Can able to read my mails. Point is, okay. The point is, guys, If I am not having a internet, can I open this Gmail in a browser? You can't open, right? Even if you are already open, internet is disconnected. Now you want to read this mail, you cannot read the mail. If internet is disconnected, you cannot read the mail if it is already open. But with Outlook, once you receive a mail, it is stored in your local, it is stored in your local PC. You can access anytime. Okay, so anytime, with or without internet, you can read it. Why? Because of mail is in local PC, downloaded in local PC. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so we can send a mail, we can receive a mail, we can read a mail, we can backup mails in a different location. Okay, and other options also there, like a calendars, contacts, scheduling meetings, other options also there in the Outlook. So I will show you my Outlook, guys. First of all, I go to my Outlook or not, that's a point. So I'm opening my Outlook. This is my Outlook application. So when I open my Outlook, it shows profile name, and I choose two profiles are there. I choose my profile name. Okay. So how profile names are came? We have to create the profile name. So what is this profile? I'll create a different profile for a different mail configuration. For example, profile 1. Some name, profile name is profile 1. I configured my personal Gmail account in it. Okay. Another profile, I will configure some other profile. My company, like for example, 70s related. All 70s mails I want to get into the different profile. Means both the mail not showing the same window. Same window. Maybe I have a Gmail account is there. Yahoo is still working or not, I don't know. But Yahoo Mail, both are in a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Live Mail. These are all. I want to put it in a one single profile. Means I can see my Gmail account, Yahoo Mail account, Hotmail account, Rediff Mail account. So all are in a same window. And my company accounts, my all 70s are Vedic Soft email communication, emails, send and receive mails in a different place like that. So that's why I change as a profile name. The profile name is 70s. So when I click OK, so all seven, that one related. So here it is. I configured my 70s mail. I configured my 70s mail account. Okay, just I'm trying to say just if you don't get no problem, but see it is. Can you see all these mails? You can able to read it. And what I have done in my inbox, I have a mail. Okay, it's inbox, and there is a certain folders in the inbox. You can see inbox, draft, sent item, delete item, archive, conversation history, junk mails, outbox, RSS feed, search folder, groups, something is there, right? But in this one, inbox, we have a different folders. How these folders are came? I created these folders. When I receive a mail like this, congratulations, service anniversary, happy birthdays, okay, which is not a very important mails, which is not a very important someone's mail, someone's happy birthday is not a very important to follow up the mail, right? Very important is like, see, Charan sir send schedules or some class related or technology related or maybe office related mails are there, HR related mails are there. So these mails are okay. Vishu Barma came. Okay, okay. I will mark the attendance. Okay. So these are important mails. Not happy birthday. So I don't want to mix happy birthday mails in this important mail. So what I've done, I create a folder using Outlook. So I created a folder and I said put all mails Outlook, put all the mails which contains heading is happy birthday or birthday. So go to this folder only. Same as for events, H1B visa, HR mails also important, but sometimes we have to keep it aside. So then any mail I received with us HR70s, then I will get it into the separate folder. Okay. So this is one point. Okay. And where is these all mails are stored? These mails are stored in my local location only. In my PC, I received these mails, and these mails are stored inside my PC. So I will show you that. Add an account settings. Okay, so this is my mail account. Okay, and here open file location. This is the file of where our files mails are stored. Open file location. Here it is. So guys, this is .ost file. Can you able to see this .ost file? It is around 160 MB size of the file. In this file, I have all my mails. In this file only, I have all my mails. What are the mails I received so far? Okay, it's showing here. What are the mails? It is showing here so far from all the mails in this file only. Where is this file? This file is in my C drive users, username, app data, local, Microsoft Outlook. In this location, this file is there. Okay, .ost and .pst extensions. The file extension is .ost and .pst. Okay. This is another important, guys. .ost, .pst. Okay. PST means personal storage table, that is guarantee. OST, offline storage table. What is the difference? It is if you are using Microsoft the mail server is Microsoft Exchange mail server, or if you are
Okay.
using Microsoft Office 365 Exchange services. Okay. It's a cloud service and it is a direct offline service. Okay. It is offline. Sorry, right. Offline. Double F or a single F? OST, EST. Actually, have a PPT. That's why I'm searching. offline storage table. Your mail server is a Microsoft mail server. Either it is a Exchange or it can be a Office 365 Exchange. This is any mail server type. Mail server can be any mail server. Okay, it can be any mail server other than Microsoft. Other than Microsoft. Okay, so that is a thing. For example, I am using a Zimbra, then it is a PST. Okay. This is a very important. This is also a question asked earlier batches. What is OST? What is PST? Offline storage table, personal storage table. If you are using a Gmail, for example, if you are using for example, Gmail, you configure Outlook for a Gmail account, then here it is .pst. Okay, you are configure Outlook for a Gmail, then it is a .pst. You configure your mail server is Zimbra mail server or Squirrel mail, okay, or a Postfix. Lot of mail servers are there. Okay? IBM mail server is also there. IBM. Now it is HCL. HCL taken this IBM mail servers. The mail server name is Domino. Domino. You know Domino's, right? Domino. Mail server. The mail client is a Lotus nodes. Okay. Earlier it is called a IBM Lotus nodes. Now it is a HCL Lotus nodes. You can put it like this. This Domino and Lotus nodes. Okay. So earlier it is IBM. Later it is changed to HCL nodes, HCL things. Okay. So client and server, model server and client. So it is sold by IBM. Now it is by HCL Technologies. Okay. Even when it is under IBM, that's like a 2017 time. It is a very important one to teach the people for HCL batches how to work with IBM Lotus nodes. Okay, IBM Lotus nodes. That time it is very important to teach. So then I configured this both server and client that time. Okay, so then I downloaded. I done a lot of research and practice. We showed how to send a mail and receive a mail through HCL nodes and all. Okay, now it is the IBM Lotus nodes and IBM Domino is now it is become a HCL's related one. Okay, so if you any chance to see how to configure Lotus nodes, HCL Lotus nodes or IBM Lotus nodes, so see that one at least. Here it is. Client software is this one. Server is this one. Any other points, guys? Again, once again, what is Outlook? Okay, what is an Outlook? What is the use of Outlook? What is an Outlook? What is the use of Outlook? Okay, what is an Outlook? What is the use of Outlook? Okay, what are the features in the Outlook. Some at least what we know about Outlook. Okay, what is the files? Okay, what is Outlook files? It's a mail files, right? Where mails are stored. Okay, where mails are stored. The files. Look, okay, the extension of the file. What is the meaning of the file? What is .ost or .pst? What is it? It's Outlook files. Outlook files. .ost, .pst. .pst means personal storage table. OST offline storage table. So why it is OST? Why it is PST? Again, why mine is showing a .ost? Because of mine is Office 365 account. So this is not a other account. It is a Microsoft Exchange. Type is Microsoft Exchange sent from the account by default. This is I got it because of Office 365 Exchange or Microsoft 365 Exchange. Exchange. Okay. That is what I am trying to. It is my Office account. Office 365 product. Okay. So mine is Office 365 product. Anyway, it's Office 365 product or kind of stuff. Important is my Exchange server is my mail server. The mail server is Exchange server from Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 Exchange server. So my mail stored in a file. The file extension is .ost. Okay, it's a thing. So guys, understand up to here some part, some words you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is, this is I explained how the mail communication happens. Okay, so look at here guys. This is the mail server. This is a mail server. Okay, so we'll can put it a little larger, no problem. It is a mail server. So both like in a organization wise or any we can see. Understand the protocols, how it is works with the mail server. These are the mail clients. So this is my mail server. So mail server means how it is become a mail server by installing Microsoft Exchange application, or maybe by installing application like a Zimbra, Postfix, okay, or Squirrel mail, like a applications by installing mail server applications. By installing it is to become mail server. And this is the mail clients, means from where you are accessing the mails. This is C2, this is C1. Okay, like this. Now, this is the user 1 and this is user 2. Two users for the same mail server. Okay, so how many users are there? That many mailboxes. That many mailboxes contained here. Mailboxes. This is called a mailbox. Okay, these are a mailbox. This is user 1 mailbox. This is user 2 mailbox. User 3 mailbox. User 4 mailbox. So these are the mailboxes. Okay. Next. Next. Here, user 1 send a mail to user 2 and from user 1. Okay, from user 1, okay, right? So to user 2 is sending a mail. So mail go to mail server. Mail go to mail server. Mail servers, one service is there called MTA, mail transfer agent. Understand what is user request and do as per that one. How you are sending to, while you are sending a mail, use a protocol called SMTP request. You send a SMTP request, simple mail transmission protocol, simple mail transmission protocol. You send a mail request to mail server for sending a mail, right? So here it is, you're sending a mail means you're outgoing mail server. You're addressing your outgoing mail server with the SMTP. This is called a outgoing mail server. Yeah, you can create two ways of mail servers. You can split a mail server into two parts, like two mail servers is a mail. Outgoing mail server. So you are sending a mail, so that is SMTP request. So when server received a mail, when server received your request, it see two addresses to user 2. You drop the mail in the user 2 mailbox. So what is server is do? What is the 2 address? User 2. Okay, and it put the mail to user 2 mailbox. Okay, guys, understand up to this? User 1 sending a mail to user 2. 2 address is user 2. You send a mail to mail server. Mail server understand what is the 2 address and put the mail to the user to mailbox. The mail to user to mailbox. Okay, up to here. How many people are there? That many people are 24, 23 members are currently there. Now one is saying yes or no kind of stuff.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood. Understood.
Yes, yes, only.
Sir, repeat once again, sir. Repeat once again.
Okay. So where is your mail? Mail is located in user to mailbox. Now this user to want to see is mail. I want to see what is the mails I received. What I have to do? I open my mail account, right? I click on my inbox. Then I'll see what mails I received, right? What I have to do? I have to open my mail, put username, password. So I got a screen. Go to inbox. What mails I received? I will check it. Where is these mails actually stores? In the mail server, in my mailbox. I'm maxing these mails to my local. Okay, so already mail is in my mail server. So I am asking mail server, please give me the mails in my mailbox. Okay, I want to see my mails. I want to check the mails. Please load these mailbox mails to my PC. And how I request it. So by request protocol is either POP3 or you can use IMAP. Okay, so you can use a protocol POP3 or IMAP. Both are for a to retrieve the mails. It is also called as a incoming. Okay, incoming mail server request, outgoing mail server request. So there is a two words are there. So don't worry, do this thing. When you are sending a mail, your request is SMTP request. Simple mail transmission protocol request. You want to receive a mail means already mails are in your mailbox. You want to take the mail from the mailbox to your system. You have to use POP3 post office protocol. So POP3 or IMAP abbreviation I forget. Okay, IMAP abbreviation. No one is in, yeah, internet message access protocol. Internet message access protocol. POP3 is a post office protocol, but IMAP is a internet message access protocol. So either you use POP3 or IMAP protocol to you are using that request. You are sending a request. Actually, you are sending a request to the mail server with a POP3 or IMAP. I want to see my mails. So mail server will give you the mails. So then you can able to see the mails in your client PC. Same explanation I given here. Okay. Same explanation I am giving here. So mail servers. What is a server means? It provide a service. Mail server provide a email service. Guys, the mail is not a different word. Okay, see, mail is a postal service. In generally, mail means postal service. Letters, parcels. Like if we have a post office. What is the difference between post office and mail service? Anyone? We have a post office, not mail service. We have post office service, Indian Postal Service. What is the difference between post office and mail service?
So mail is much more fast.
So we are sending through post office through offline mode, mostly.
Sir, post office
I
basically
hope
works based on this pin code system. And
Mail?
when it comes, mail directly works on based on the address, direct address. Even the post office we have address, but it actually works based on the pin code and regions, and there are some other different types of classification.
Anyone? Any other?
Sir, we are using post office for sending like through offline mode. We are sending all the documents, and
all
through mail we
documents.
are
Yes. We are sending letters, normally physical letters, not
Yes, sir.
electronic letters.
Yeah,
Right?
post office
Post office
facilitates
or mail, both are same.
yeah, hard copies only. When it comes to the mail, only purely soft copy.
Okay, very good. So guys, we ruled by British. First of all, we don't forget, we ruled by British people, right? British English only we are using, British words only we are using. British use the mail service as a post office service. In America, so also ruled by British. America also ruled by British in the olden days. But once British are left there, like they are got freedom from British. Even those people are British people, white people only. Those people are white people, but they don't want to use the words like a British people. So they invented a new words called a mail. Okay, both are same. Both are for a sending a document, letters, all kind of stuff. Both
Sir, sorry
services
for
same.
the interruption.
Yeah.
So, actually, the modern post office system was actually introduced by the British, Mean they are actually modernized the system, but we have the post office system long ago. Means we have a modern developed post office system during the Mughals itself.
Yeah, that is naming. We don't call at that time like a post office that time. Word is not there now. I'm not saying
Yes.
about
Yeah, yeah.
sending a letters.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying the word we are using. That's
Yes.
a mail service and post office service. What are the name it is? Service is same. Only name is different.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So post office system, if you are saying like that, it is 5,000, 6,000. Before only we have a letter posting system is there. Not only in India, so many other countries. Okay, so they write a letter. So person has to go and like a, you know, Vijayanagar Empire. There is a movie in that one. Vijayanagar Empire want to send a letter to Babar from where the border of Andhra, Karnataka bottom to the Babar in the Delhi. Okay. So one country to another country, continent to continent also we have a communication system. I'm not talking in that one. Only English word. Both are English words only. British use post office. Still in India also we are using the word post office service, postal service. In America, of course, that is also a good example you told. Okay, in America time they said no, I don't want to use the word post office because British it is look like a British word. So we use different way. So they said it is mail. And now we are using this mail kind of stuff, right? So we are using this mail kind of stuff. This is a electronic mail. Okay, as you like offline, online. Offline means like a sending a letters, direct physical letters, mail service, email, electronic mail. This is entirely electronic mail. Okay, so we are sending a emails. That's why it is email ID, not mail ID. It is the email ID. It is we are sending and receiving information from others through directly electronic media means through internet we are getting using a email ID communication, not with the postal address, not with any other like a pin code and all. We are not using directly. We are using email IDs. Email, mail. Okay. A lot of names are similar. Like in British we use a pavement. Pavement means sidewalk. In America they don't use pavement, sidewalk. Okay, why guys are we watch lot of movies that is basically uh, um, American English only, not British English. People get confused like accent wise because America don't have any accent. British has an accent. Words are different. Spectacles, eyeglasses, more easy. Yeah, whatever it is, guys. Sorry, we don't we don't go to America or British now, so we are going to India only. We die in India only, so don't worry. Okay, mail servers. So different mail servers are there. So we call it not again email server, mail server. So we don't mix that one. So the word I discussion is came from this word only, email service. So mail server provide email services. Different mail servers are there. Microsoft Exchange, Zimbra Mail, Squirrel Mail, Dovecot Mail, or a Postfix Mail. A lot of mail applications also there. And also I told about Lotus Note kind of stuff. I will add that one also. IBM, Domino, Domino, IBM or HCL, currently HCL, right? Server, IBM, HCL, nodes. Old name is Lotus node is there. That is just the nodes. Copied that one. Okay. Yeah, I want to make it as a smaller and it is become very bigger. That is good. That is good. Okay. So just added information on it. Okay, guys. Next, while I'm sending a mail, I said I want to send a mail. So then I have to tell what is my outgoing mail server or outgoing mail request with the SMTP. Okay. So the protocol number is 25. Okay. The protocol is yeah, protocol is SMTP, port number is 25, and there is a POP3. POP3. Don't worry. So both are same. First IMAP and POP3 both are good. Okay. So but just I have a hobby of putting the numbers like this, so then I don't get confused. Okay. So always I use the like this only. Guys, again, SMTP protocol is 25, POP3 and IMAP for using to retrieve the mails or incoming mail server addressing. We use this kind of stuff. Okay. So whatsoever it is for retrieving a mails means you already got a mail. You are asking to the server, I have a mail in my mailbox. Give me the mail. You have to ask the request, right? So you are sending a request. There is a mail in my mailbox. So give me, I want to see the mails kind of stuff. But I want to download the mail. So that protocol is POP3 and IMAP mails. Okay. So POP3 110, IMAP 143. Guys, very simple difference between both are retrieving a mails. Then what is the difference? IMAP is a more like a copy pasting. Copy paste means in the server, in server, at client means I download a mail means I copy paste the mail like a in server we have a mail, in client also we have a mail. I will give you one simple example, guys. Outlook we are talking. Very simple example I will give. In your mobile phone, you have a Gmail icon is there, na? Gmail. You configure your Android mobile phone with Gmail account and you will receive your mails to your mobile. Okay. So where is your mails are stored? In mobile. And mails are also available. If you open the mail account in the browser, you can see the mails, right? You can see the mails from your browser as well as from your mobile phone. So how it is possible? Because of IMAP protocol. IMAP protocol, because server has the mails. You want to access the mails from your mobile, so it is in the mobile. If you want to access the mails or send a mails from your laptop or a desktop, you can see your mails and you can send a mail from here also. You can receive a mail from here or from here also you can do it. So the mails are stored in mail server and as well as your local device. So using IMAP, okay, using IMAP. It is like a copy paste. Mails are both available. Mails are available in both server and your local PC. So it is not deleted completely from the server. Mails are not completely downloaded in local PC and mails are not deleted from the server. So from anywhere with any device, you can able to access the mails because mails are available in server. Okay, and mails also available in your local PCs or your mobile phones also. If you are configured for a mobile phone, now mobile phones are there. You have to keep that in mind also sometimes. Next one is POP3 type. It is a more like a cut paste. More like a cut paste. For example, this is my mail server. I have a mails and I use a POP3 to retrieve the mails. Okay, so this is my local PC. Okay, this is my local PC and this is my mail server. Okay, so when these mails are transferred, downloaded to the local PC, after some time it will be deleted. Mails will be deleted from mail server. So these mails will be deleted from mail server and mails are stored in the local PC. In this case, if you lost the data in your local PC, you can't get the mails again. So compulsory you have to take the backup and always secure your received mails. Or you have to configure a server, keep the mails for a certain period of time. That kind of stuff is also there. Okay. What is a POP3 guys? When you receive a mail means once you download a mail, the mails will be deleted from the server. Mails will be deleted from the server. So why we need that kind of mechanism? Why POP3 is important? Why IMAP is important? So mail is downloaded into local PC and it will delete. The mail will remove from the server. I've written some story here. That is a different. I will tell the story. It is. Guys, understand use of POP3 and IMAP. That is important.
Yes, sir.
What is POP3 and IMAP? For retrieving a mails. Very good. Okay, good. For retrieving a mails, IMAP is like a server and a client. Both are maintaining mails. Both are having a mails. Mails can be stored in your local mobile phone. Mails can be you can access from web browser. Mails you are accessing from other device. Okay, so mails mainly stored in a server. You can access from any other devices. Mails are not deleted from the server automatically. Means once you download, it's not deleted. It's a copy paste. Both side mails are there. But in POP3, it is not like that. Once you download a mail, it will deleted. Mail will be deleted automatically from the server. Okay, so I think I will tell what is the use of POP3 and IMAP. I will tell, but I have written a story here, and I want to see why it is I written a story. So only one story it is there. I will tell this story, and we will take a break, and I will try to show you configuration. Mail server stores mails in user box. That is I explained that one. Client retrieve the mails from mail server mainly from the mailbox. How to retrieve the mails? You can open the mails using a web browser. One of the thing is using web browser, you can open, you put a username, password, you can see the mails in mailbox. We can see the mails anytime, any device through internet, right? I can see the mails from here. I go outside. I went to the internet center. I can see my mails through mail like that. I can see the mails. Okay, so like that, so we can get it. If internet is down, now internet is down, I can't able to access the mails. I can't able to access the mails because mails are showing in a browser but not downloaded in your local PC. These mails are showing in a browser but not exactly not located in my local PC. All mails are stored in a mail server mailbox based on a mailbox size. It may full after this is the another scenario, guys. This is another scenario. Based on the mailbox size, it may full after some days of use. So we cannot store mails and we have to delete old mails to get a new mails. If mail server is unavailable down, you cannot access existing mails also. This is second scenario. And what is the POP3 and IMAP also I explained here. So I will explain what I've written here. Okay. So that time means last before last week means last batch only N1 batch maximum I told Outlook. Okay. Yeah. So look at here N1 batch or maybe the N5 batch. I didn't remember. Okay. So whatever it is, guys, look at here. This is the mail server. I can able to access these mails like a Gmail. I can access from my mobile phone, laptop or desktop or internet center. Once I connected to internet, I can access the mails from my browser anytime. The problem is, if I'm disconnected from the internet, I can't access the mails. Why? Because of mails are not stored in my local PC. Mails are in the mail server only. Only I'm accessing the mails. I didn't download my mails into local PC. Okay. So in offline, we cannot check the mails. You cannot check the mails in offline. Of course, without configuring Outlook also you can check the offline, that is called a Gmail offline kind of stuff, anything you configure, that's a different one. Guys, yeah, one more point is there, not showing here. So I will open Google Drive to understand. Yeah, it will be there here. Yeah, it is there here. Can you see what is this? 15 GB used. 15 GB out of 15, 5.49 GB used. Last time it is also full. Why I have opened this is will show clearly. Total your mail and other documents, PDF, anything you store, mail you store, or maybe documents you store, whatever you store, okay, the totally will be calculated, right? 15 GB from totally 15 GB data we can store in a Google account. Okay. So if you don't use any other services, only Gmail, think like that. 15 GB are getting. That is huge amount. That is huge amount. Because of OneDrive, it is filling. If I'm not using OneDrive, it won't fill also much. Okay. 15 GB. I will show you my storage, right? This is Office. Okay, from my office. I'm getting 50 GB. I'm getting 50 GB mailbox size. 50 GB mailbox size I'm getting. And if I take Office 365 account myself for my purpose, my personal or my family, I've taken Office 365. I will get a 1 terabyte of storage. Total storage is OneDrive storage is 1 terabyte of storage, I will get it. Okay, very good now. So big sizes. But I will tell one story. I worked in an organization called CMS. Okay, so previously I worked in an organization called CMS Info Systems. Then name change it to different ways. You may have an idea about CMS also, because if you see, there is a cash management system like ATMs. Some people put a money in ATM. Okay, so that also done by the CMS organization. Our is training part. Okay, so training institute, training deployment, that kind of stuff. So we'll see that one. So once I join in this organization, so what happened? I got a mail account. I got my mail account. So okay, I got my mail account. My inbox size, like it is showing, inbox size is a 15 GB, right? But in my inbox size 50 MB, not 15 GB, 15 MB. It means in the server, my mailbox is 50 MB. The maximum send and receive mails combinedly, I can store up to 50 MB. So luckily, starting position there, I don't do much mail communications. Why? Because I'm just a trainer. I'm that time not much responsibility. Only training responsibilities there. So only 1 or 2 send and receive mails. Otherwise, I will archive the mail or like that. I done that one. Okay. So 50 MB is okay. So I am accessing these mails through web browser. Okay, like this. So when it is 50 MB is about to fill, I have to delete old mails, unnecessary mails, advertisement mails, or maybe sent mails. I have to delete in order to receive the new mails. Okay. So initially it is like that. So 50 MB, it's about to fill like this. It reaches around 40, 45 MB, 48 MB, like that. It reaches up to 45, 48 MB. It's about to reaches. What I have to do? I have to clear the sent mails, old mails, unnecessary mails. I have to delete it. Then only I can receive new mails. Otherwise, new mails won't receive. Okay. But I didn't configure Outlook that time because I don't have any dedicated laptop or desktop kind of stuff. I don't have my. If I configure, that is also I have to configure in the Office desktop only, and they didn't give any dedicated desktop for me. Okay, so we come and give a training. Systems are so limited, right? So we have a computers, but still one computer for faculty is not affordable. That kind of stuff. Counselors receive lot of mails. Counselors receive lot of mails. Management people receive lot of mails. Office related mails and all. So they need to configure Outlook. Okay. Of course. So my organization, some changes occurs. They start using Zimbra mail. Earlier it is a Squirrel mail server. Later it is Zimbra mail server. So I got 100 MB mail size. But problem is my responsibilities are increases. I need a lot of mail communication. I have to send a scan copies. Okay. So whatsoever it is, guys. Full story not required. So guys understand, I have a mail account. The mailbox size is 50 MB. For regular use, for me, not a problem. I cannot receive new mails. I cannot receive new mails until unless I clear the old mails. Because of 50 MB fill, we can't receive the new mails. So in order to prevent that one, so we have to delete. I have to clear all my sent mails and old mails. If I clear, then only I will receive to my server. Okay, so what I have done, what I have to do, I have to go to Outlook. What is Outlook? Mail client. I have to configure an Outlook. In Outlook, I have to tell about my mail server. This is my mail server, my SMTP server. This is my SMTP server, mail ID, kind of stuff. Sorry, SMTP server, server details, and incoming mail. POP3. POP3 I have to configure, not IMAP. Why POP3? Cut paste. Mail will receive to server, server to mailbox, mailbox to my local PC, means to my Outlook, meaning is local PC. It means mail won't be stored in my server. Once it is received to the server, it is come to my Outlook. Okay. So again, mail to the mail servers. The mail server put all my mails into my mailbox. That mail will come to your or Outlook. Meaning is the mail stores in your local PC. That's why I configured POP3. I configured POP3. Okay, POP3. Okay, so this is about point. Okay, so what is the advantage of configuring with the POP3? Mails not store in my not storing in my mail server permanently. Yeah, in a mail server permanently. Once it is received, I am taking it, right? So when I open my Outlook, when I connected to internet and I open my Outlook, I received a mail and the mail is stored in my local PC. Okay, I can read these mails anytime I want it. If I back up the mails, so then I can save my mails into the separate media. If in case my local PC is damaged or a hard disk is damaged, my local PC hard disk is damaged or some virus is affected, some problem if I face my hard disk damage, system down or virus effect, so no problem. I've already taken a backup. If in case, if I have already taken a backup in a different location, my mails are safe. Okay, guys. Another advantage is there. Another advantage there. Internet is not there, or maybe your mail server is down, or you are away from your office, or you are away from your yeah. Parjit told one valid point. I will tell that one. Okay. So very good. If in case the mail server is down, or you are away from your office, means you are not in your office, or maybe it's like what we can say, um, you are resigned from the organization, but you have some important mails, then maybe possible, then you can connect your backup in future and you can get the mail, or maybe you submit your backup mails to your organization. Maybe your organization people open your old mails and find that some any important materials or important contacts inside, so they can get it. Okay, so once you are resigned from the office, your mail account is also blocked. Okay, guys, it's like a few theories there, like some few points are there. So once you resign, okay, once you are done a resignation, so everybody will praise you like you are a brother to me. I learned so many things from this guy. Okay, he's always charming and all praising is there. No, the day it comes, like today is a last day, last working day. Everybody prays, everybody hugs, everybody done. The next day you went to the office, you don't have a tag, right? You have to give the tag, you have to leave your authentications, swiping cards, everything taken from you. Next day you are went, okay? Without a permission, you are not allowed inside. You have to take permission to go inside your office. Separate permission. Everybody busy. No one is worried about you. Next day onwards. Okay. So that is what job means. Okay. So do the best work for yourself. Learn the skills. Improve yourself. Give the best in the organization. That improves you a lot. So first of all, work yourself. Work for you, not for organization. Meaning is you are working for an organization, not like you are dying for an organization. Simply it is you are working for an organization to improve yourself. That is very important. Okay, so that's enough of, yeah. Farji told one important point, that is, we'll see modern POP3 clients allow you to keep a copy of your messages on server if you are explicitly select this option. Yes, right. Exactly, say IMAP or POP3 does not mean what I said earlier also. But I said a simple point only. Like IMAP is like a copy paste. POP3 is like a cut paste. Okay. That is for only for basic understanding level only. But originally your mails will be stays always in your mail server. It is purely depends upon mail server configuration. Mail server side configuration. And IMAP does not download any of the mails in your local PC. Does not download. Complete download is not there. Only partial part of the mail will be downloaded into your local PC. And of course, in mail server, mails are available. In local PC, the mails are available, but partial download only. Without opening the mail, mail does not download completely. Like not just a received a mail. Mail completely open, then only we can able to download a mail inside. That is one point. Next one is POP3 type. In POP3, the server and client configuration based on a server type and the client configurations. The mail, either it will be stored in a both mail server and client, or once you download after 5 days or 14 days, after 20 days, till the mail is available in the server. It means you downloaded a mail. Today you download a mail. Today is the 8th October. Today only the fresh mail is downloaded. Next 10 days, the mail can be there in the server. Or maybe mail can be there in the server permanently, no problem. Okay. You download or not downloaded a mail to your local PC, mail can be available in the server, or mail can be available in the certain period of time, and mail is immediately deleted once you download into your local PC. There's a three options also there. So it purely depends upon the server and the POP3 related configuration. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So before break, so yeah, there is one more thing I have written. So same only. Using mail client application like Outlook, we have a configure Outlook to send and receive mails. Once mails are downloaded into Outlook app, that mail are available in local PC. If internet is down, still we can able to access downloaded mails using POP3 protocol. Downloaded mails from the mail server to local PC. Once mails downloaded, remove from the mail server. Just I told one line, but there is a lot of options are there, lot of configuration things are there to get this kind of stuff. So mails are in a local PC. Anytime you can access mails with or without internet. To send and receive new mails, we need a internet. You want to send a mail or receive a new mail, okay? We need a internet. It is required to take backup of mails from local PC and store separately. Why? Because of anything can be happens to your mails. This is my Google site, guys. In that one, I told how to configure Outlook, remaining kind of stuff. But this is the point again. What is Outlook? Microsoft Mail Client Application. It's a mail client application. There is a mail servers, and we can send and receive mails through the mail clients. One of the mail client is web browsers. Another mail client is Outlook. Okay, so different mail clients also available. Like a different mail servers available, different mail clients also available. And while you are sending and receiving a mail, you will use the 3 protocols: SMTP, POP3, IMAP version 4. Okay, so basic port numbers of a SMTP is means normal port numbers 25, SMTP POP3 110, IMAP 143. POP3 and IMAP for both are used to retrieve the mails. POP3 is like a cut and paste, means once you download a mail to your local PC, the mail may be removed from the mail server, in generally removed from the mail server. Of course, depends upon configuration. I'm not adding any additional nodes. Okay, lot of nodes is there, but I'm not. So it's very simple to cut and paste. IMAP, you download a mail to your local PC or local device. Okay, so still the mail is available in your server. Okay, so Outlook is a mail client. So what is the advantage of using a mail client? Yeah, very good. That is, I will tell TCL and SSL, because of when you are configuring Outlook, okay, we should configure with the port numbers also. But we don't use this plain port number, guys. Like what is a web communication protocol? HTTP. But we are not using HTTP nowadays, right? We are using HTTPS. We are not using HTTP. Web communication is HTTP communication. Like you want to open a website, what communication? HTTP communication. Okay.
So it is used in
But we are
security,
using,
right?
we need a security. We are using HTTPS. S means secure. S means SSL. Right. Same thing. Same SMTP protocol. Plain protocol is 25 port number. SMTP, sorry, HTTP plain 80. HTTPS 443. Okay. So SMTP over TSL or SSL kind of stuff means it's a certification, means for encrypting technology, encrypting purpose. Encrypt mail communication. Same goes for POP3, IMAP. While you are communicating to, while you are communication, client to server, server to the client, we encrypt the data. So when you are encrypt the data, it is over TSL or a SSL will be happens. Okay, like this. I will show you that while configuration. The main points, okay, like this. Okay, that's IMAP and POP3 completed, right? Yeah. So what is the advantage of using Outlook? We can store the, whenever you receive mails, you store the mails into your local PC, and anytime you can able to access the mails with or without a internet. You can take the mails backup separately. So if in case your mail server or your local PC having some problem, you can retrieve the mails from the backup also possible. You tell me? Okay. There is a Outlook data file formats are there. Whenever you configured Outlook, you received a mail stored in a one file, in one database file that is called, that is in your local PC. The extension of the file is .pst or .ost. .pst means personal storage table and .ost is an offline storage table. .ost is a mail server. Your mail server is a Microsoft related mail server, like a Microsoft Exchange mail server or Microsoft Office 365 or Office Microsoft 365 Exchange mail server. Okay, then your mail storage database file is .ost. Any other than that one, like you use a Zimbra mail or maybe Squirrel mail, okay, like that, your mail is .pst. I didn't add a Lotus notes here, and there is a separate mail server client is there, IBM or HCL. Currently HCL mail server is a Domino and mail client is HCL notes or a Lotus notes. Okay. So this is main important points, and next one we'll see, guys. We'll take a break. So take a 10 or 15 minutes break. Major point I completed. So today we'll try. So no guarantee again. Already my system configured with the mail, so I'm don't use my physical machine. I'll try my virtual machine. Wait, okay. So I stop recording.